Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with two essentials: admin access and a quick snapshot of the current version so you can roll back if needed. Once done, cut network access immediately to prevent further downloads. Next, open the Updater or Task Manager and pause or end the update process. On Windows, stop the Windows Update service. On Mac OS, quit the App Store update. Do this now to freeze state. It prevents partial installs and keeps recovery options intact. Now you lock the system against automatic restart. You disable auto-update switches in System and App Settings, and then remove scheduled tasks that will relaunch installers. For Windows, check Task Scheduler. For Mac OS, inspect Launched Jobs. After that, modify the host's file or use a local firewall to block known update domains so the updater cannot resume. These steps stop the machine from re-downloading components, giving you safe time to plan rollback or manual install without surprise restarts. Finish by booting into safe mode or recovery so you can inspect for incomplete installs and clear caches. This prevents corrupted files from triggering future failures. If an update partially applied, roll back to a previous restore point or reinstall from a verified backup. Finally, check update logs to confirm cleanliness. Clear the updater cache, and only re-enable updates once you have a recovery plan. If something goes wrong, use safe mode and logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.